Have you ever felt like you were meant for something more, but just couldn't figure out how to reach it? Have you ever sat in silence wishing for just one message, one voice, one moment to shake you awake? This video might be that moment, because today, you're not just going to hear speeches, you're going to feel them. These 5 speeches have shaken souls, saved lives, and created billionaires. Let's begin. Speech 1, Steve Jobs, Connecting the Dots. Steve Jobs stood on stage at Stanford and told a crowd of students the story of how dropping out of college led him to creating Apple. He said, "You can't connect the dots looking forward. You can only connect them looking backward." He believed that every random dot, every failure, job, rejection, heartbreak had a purpose. You just can't see it yet. That quote. Sometimes life hits you in the head with a brick. Don't lose faith. You don't have to understand your life right now. Just keep going. One day, it will all make sense. Speech 2, Rocky Balboa, Keep Moving Forward. It ain't about how hard you hit. It's about how hard you can get hit and keep moving forward. These words from Rocky hit harder than any punch. Every rejection letter, every insult, every friend who left when you were broke. That's when you find out who you are. Because Rocky was right. That's how winning is done. Speech 3, Matthew McConaughey, Be Your Own Hero. At the Oscars, McConaughey said, "My hero is me in 10 years." You don't need to chase someone else's dream. You need to chase the version of yourself you haven't met yet. Every time you skip a bad habit, every time you stay late to work on your dream, every time you say no to average, you move one step closer to becoming your hero. Speech 4, Les Brown, It's Possible. Someone's opinion of you does not have to become your reality. Les Brown was labeled as educably mentally retarded, but he became one of the world's most powerful speakers. Why? Because he believed in 2 words. It's possible. Your circumstances are not your cage. They are your test. And you, my friend, have greatness within you. Speech 5, J.K. Rowling, The Benefits of Failure. Rock bottom became the solid foundation on which I rebuilt my life. That's what J.K. Rowling said at Harvard. She didn't start with success. She started with rejection, poverty, pain. But she kept going. She created something out of nothing and changed the world. Failure isn't the end. It's the beginning, if you let it be. 5 speeches, 5 voices, but they mean nothing if you don't take the first step. You're not just listening, you're remembering who you are. The question is, what will you do now? If this video moved you, share it with someone else who needs it. Let the message travel. Let it change more lives. This is not just a video. This is a moment. And it starts with you. If you found value in these speeches, hit that like button. And if you want to stay inspired, stay growing, and stay focused, then make sure to subscribe and turn on notifications. Because the next video might just be the one that changes your life.